Inflation and gas prices here in the U.S. have hit record levels once again. Democrats continue to argue that last year's rescue plan saved the country from an economic recession. But Republicans say that nearly $2 trillion plan, along with President Biden's policies, are adding to the sky-high prices. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales reports. Erik.
Well, good evening, Tracy. You know, summer is almost here and things are certainly heating up. And I'm not just talking about the weather outside. I'm talking about what you and I pay at the grocery store to the gas pump. Some economists predict that this is going to continue at least until the end of the year. And Republicans say that it falls squarely on the shoulders of President Biden and his policies.
We are going to have to squeeze this inflation down, get past the problem frankly created by this all-Democratic government insisting on dumping $2 trillion on the economy.
8.3% inflation, 40-year high, highest gas prices in the history of this country, okay? Low labor participation rate, GDP that's going down, mortgage rates that have skyrocketed, and now the stock market's down. That's the Biden economy.
Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer rejects those GOP claims and says Democrats are focused on kitchen table issues.
Democrats are pushing to repeal Trump's tax law giveaways to the wealthiest few and the big corporations. Senator Scott and MAGA Republicans want to raise taxes on working families by an average of $1,000, while cheering inflation as a political gold mine.
The latest Gallup poll shows 85% of Americans view the economy as either in fair or poor shape. Releasing oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve had little effect on prices. Republicans say the president could increase oil and gas production by opening federal land and waterways to drilling and ease regulations on pipeline construction.
The incredible transition that's happening today with energy is we're going from being a nation that's energy dominant to energy dependent. We're going from a nation of prosperity to a nation of poverty. We're going from a nation of wealth to a nation of weakness.
Now, Democrats do tell me that they're trying to lower the cost for Americans by dusting off the Build Back Better plan. You remember that? Well, that failed in the Senate last year. Both Catholic Senator Joe Manchin and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer are working together, trying to pull apart that plan and bring it to the floor piece by piece. We'll let you know how that goes. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.